Feeling like you hear crickets every time you post on Instagram? Well, it's time to check your engagement rate. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can very quickly and easily do this, and it's totally free. All you need to know is your Instagram handle and have this website. Okay, so today we are going to be checking my own Instagram engagement rate. So all you have to do is navigate to, it's from Planix, so planix.com/engagement-calculator, and I'll include the link in the description of this video as well. And then you're gonna type your Instagram handle, so in my case, like that, and then we just wait while it works. So today it's reporting that my Instagram engagement rate is 1.16%, and that on average I get 11 likes and 2 comments on my social media content, and I have 952 followers. So this is a really helpful metric to see what percent of your audience is actually engaging with your content. That's what an engagement rate actually does. It is influenced by several things, like how recently your post was. I had a post that went out yesterday, so not all of my audience has seen it yet. And it can also be impacted by things like your following size. So the more followers you have, the lower your engagement rate typically is. So fun fact, this tool is free and you can search up to 3 different Instagram handles per day, and you do not have to own the Instagram account to check it. So what that means is that you can actually check on your friends' accounts, or more likely your competitor accounts. So if you're wondering how your engagement rate is compared to some other people in your industry, then you can actually check for free simply by entering their Instagram handle in as well. So something that I want to caution you on, it's not exactly like we're comparing apples to apples, even when we look at our competitors. So please keep that in mind. If they have a different size following than you, they post more frequently or less frequently than you, all of those things can impact your engagement rate. But this does give you a benchmark to see kind of how you're doing overall. And if your engagement rates are actually quite similar, then that's typically a good sign that your content is performing well, especially if you're choosing a competitor that has a very successful business. So if your engagement rate is a little bit lower than you'd like, so typically businesses try to aim for, depending on your following size, I like to shoot for an engagement rate between 3 and 5%. So even mine's a little bit lower than I'd like. There are ways that you can increase your engagement rate, and it doesn't require you to spend all of your time on social media or to hire someone to do it for you. You're not buying followers, you're not paying for engagement. So if your engagement rate's lower than you'd like, I would encourage you to check out my organic engagement playbook, which shares 14 different engagement activities that you can do that don't require you to spend hours online, and it doesn't require you to pay someone to do your engagement for you. So you can do these activities in as little as 10 minutes a day, and it's going to help you generate more conversations, more likes, more follows, and overall increase your account's engagement. So the resource also includes a calendar outline so you can follow along on the different activities. You never have to think about which one you're doing each day. So I've linked it in the description for you. I highly recommend you check it out because it is a great resource for any business who is looking to have more engagement and build up more of a community on social media, specifically Instagram. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and follow for more.